Alrighty guys, in today's video of VinylCut, we'll be looking at the undo and redo feature. Before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We have a variety of different softwares we do cover, and also we upload videos daily, so just keep an eye there for any new content. Otherwise, if we go back in the program here, now most of you already know what these buttons do, but if you're watching this video, chances are it's for a reason. So in any case, the undo and redo buttons, that's probably, in my opinion, one of the most or two of the most used features in all programs. So yeah, you sometimes wish real life had it, but in any case, so what the basic of it is the undo obviously undoes something that you've done. Can be various things from movements to changing properties and so forth. And redoing, obviously, if you've done it too far, then you can redo it again. So let's just have a quick demonstration. And yeah, also there is 3 ways we can do it, and I'll be showing you all 3. Let's create a little circle or something here, canvas. And then let's say you've moved it, and you don't like the current position, you want it back to the center again. Then what you do is on top here, we've got those little arrows. So we've got undo, and you'll see redo is grayed out. That means only once you've undone something once, or at least once, then you can only redo. So now if we click undo, you will see it will move it back to our previous positions until we get that center. Now let's say you realize, okay, now you went, say, a step too far, then you can just click your redo button and move it back. Now, that same way, let's say we've moved it. Then another way we can do this is you go to your edit menu on top, and you'll see we've got here undo. You can click there and it will undo it. Same way, you can go to edit and go redo. Click that and it'll put it back where it was. Now if you don't make many mistakes in your work, or you don't need to undo a lot, then these 2 buttons on top here will work just fine. But if you're into shortcut keys and you like a very fast workflow, which I would recommend most people should use, then you can use your shortcut keys. And that's normally a very universal, especially for undo. Redo, some programs will vary it, but for undo, you'll press Control plus Z or Z, and then that will undo. So you keep Control in. While Control's in, you press Z on your keyboard. And as you can see there, it does the undo there. If you're going to redo, you'll keep Control plus Shift and then press Z. Then it will redo it. So Control plus Z is undo, Control Shift plus Z is redo. Like I said, I would highly recommend and encourage you to get used to the shortcut keys, because you use it so often, and it is most of the time universal, the shortcut keys for different programs. Otherwise, yeah, that is the undo and redo feature. If we navigate here to VinylCut.co.za, the program is freely available here. Just head to the downloads page. Then otherwise, softwaretraining.co.za, you can you can find the videos we did today and more over here. We also have a variety of different softwares we do cover, like I mentioned earlier. Then if you want to isolate a search, like if you're searching for undo or anything like that, just hit the search bar, type it in, and hit that little magnifying glass on the right. Then it will do that for you. Otherwise, if you don't find what you're looking for after the search, you can always go request a training video, then we'll make that for you. Otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.